Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach or an English coach. Learning a new language might be boring and exhausting, or it is generally boring and exhausting because it is a long journey. It is a journey basically. It's not a 1 day or a 2 day process. It takes time, right? You get fluent also, but you still needs time to refine yourself. So the more you get to speak, the better you get at it. So a year or 2 years or 3 years, down the line, you will see a lot of difference every single time. Right? When I talk about myself, I've also seen a lot of improvement since my school days, then college days, and my MBA days, and then, initially when I started my career, and today where I am. And maybe tomorrow, after another 6 months or a year, I'll see a lot more difference in my speaking skills, in my body language, in my fluency, the way I talk, the gestures I use, the lots of things attached to speaking. It's not just speaking, like how you speak, right? It's not only about verbal communication. There are lots of non-verbal communication which also plays a vital role in your communication skills. Or how do you communicate with people? When you are a public speaker, when you are addressing a crowd or you are addressing people, you have to be very confident in speaking, right? But there your non-verbal communication skills also play a very important role, which today I'm not going to discuss. I'm going to discuss it some other day. But today I'm going to talk about how you can make your boring or exhausting journey interesting. Right? It takes time. So we need to include a lot of activities, a lot of things which will make us stick to what we are doing, which will make it interesting. It should not be boring, right? We don't want to get bored. If we get bored, we get distracted, right? We're not able to concentrate. We're not able to focus. We lose our focus and then everything falls apart, right? And then, of course, we tend to give up. We start saying that, no, I won't be able to. I don't think this is my cup of tea, right? It happens to all of us. So that is why today I'm going to tell you some ways, or I am going to tell you 5 things which will help you to get out of this boring routine or get out of this boredom, and you will start enjoying the process. You'll start enjoying learning this language. Okay. So today I'm going to talk about some podcasts which you can start listening to so as to keep you engaged, so as to keep you entertained, and so as to keep you motivated or focused enough to learn this language or to practice this language or to practice English speaking. The first thing is listen to any podcast which is related to your field. Trust me on this works like magic. I am into the field of HR. I am into training and development. I need to do a lot of research. I need to see what is going on in the industry, how things are moving, what is new to this segment or sector or domain. So I keep on researching. I keep on learning new things. What new trainings are there? What new things I can explore? What new things I can include in my sessions, right? There are lots of things which I can improvise, I can learn so as to deliver better. So whatever profession you are into, whatever you are interested in, try to get hold of your domain first. Okay, if you are into technology, if you are into manufacturing, if you are into finance, if you are into HR, if you are into marketing, if you are into banking, if you are into entrepreneurship, or if you are a homemaker, whatever you are, you all have certain interests, certain professions, certain things you want to do, right? You want to cook better, you want to learn some cleaning hacks, you want to learn some art and craft, you want to learn something new so that you can start your own business also. There are lots of things we want to learn, irrespective of our profession, irrespective of what we do, right? So start exploring that Start exploring your passion, start exploring your profession. So whatever you are interested in, whatever you want to gain knowledge into, start watching that in English. So what will happen here is you will be interested in that subject, and the second thing is you will try to pick up the language also. Like if it is in English, you will try to understand English, right, along with what you want to learn. So you are trying to catch up, you are trying to pick up the language, trying to pick up a new skill, add new knowledge, right? So start doing that in English. Whatever it is, if you want to watch a cooking video also, there are lots of cooking videos also which are in English. Start watching them, right? There are lots of hobbies and professions also which people want to do, like they want to take up baking, probably a cloud kitchen they want to open, or you want to make some candles, or you want to make some art and craft items and sell it in the market. So there are lots of videos related to that, and that also pick up the videos which are in English. So there are lots of podcasts, lots of videos available in English related to everything on YouTube. So pick up that and start learning in English, and you will see it will be very interesting journey. You will not realize that you are learning a language. You will realize that you are adding a new skill, and it will help in two ways. You're adding a new skill and you are adding that language also, right? You're learning that language also and you're learning that skill also. So it will be a win-win situation for you as well. So this is one thing you have to start watching. Number 2, weekends we always want to relax, right? Now what we can do here is we can start watching a movie, a Hollywood movie, or an animated movie, or a cartoon movie, or a cartoon series, or any other series which you are interested in on Netflix or Amazon Prime, whichever it is. Start watching that in English, right? Any English series, any English movie, any cartoon movie which is in English, of course, anything which you are interested in to entertain yourself, start watching it in English. And trust me on this, guys, if not Hollywood movies, you can watch cartoons, you can watch animated movies which are actually very interesting. You will love watching them. I still love watching them. I go with my daughter and watch movies, animated movies, cartoon movies. And there are lots of cartoons which are very simple, very easy, and you can just follow them also. You can start shadowing with them also. I've spoken about all of it in my previous videos. You can watch those, like 5 cartoon movies or 5 animated movies which I have spoken about. Take those and start watching them. So movies, any movie you can pick up and start watching. Number 3, what you can do is you can start listening to music. We all enjoy music, right? So when you are taking a walk, when you are in a gym, when you are exercising, when you are cooking in the kitchen, or when you're relaxing on your sofa or a couch, listen to some good music, good English songs which you are able to pick up. Don't listen to fast music. Start listening slow music first, so that you can catch up the lyrics, you can catch up the words, right? Start singing, start repeating after them. And there are lots of songs which are really good. You can catch their lyrics, you can start listening to them. Listen to it twice, thrice, 4 times, and you will definitely catch words. These are practice sessions basically, and these are very entertaining also. You don't have to focus much. Just go with the flow. Enjoy the music. Enjoy the rhythm. Enjoy the beats. And pick up the lyrics as well. So it will be easier for you to follow this language. It will be entertaining also. You'll keep yourself engaged also. And immersed in English also. So you'll be listening to English many times every day. And the more you listen, the more you'll be able to focus on, the more you'll be able to grab the words or understand the words and collect the words. So your vocabulary will also increase, right? You'll start collecting new words as well in this way. So music. 4th is There are lots of celebrity talk shows also, or there are lots of talk shows in which celebrities or sports person, like eminent personalities, come and share their views, like entrepreneurs, sports personality, actors, scientists, economists, socialists, etc. Right? There are lots of people which they come there and express their ideas and views. There are lots of podcasts, there are lots of channels, videos where they come and speak about a lot of things, right? And these are very interesting, and we all love listening to any eminent personality, any scientist, any celebrity, any sports person. We all love sports, right? We all love watching movies, and we love listening to them. So there are lots of podcasts which are there, or shows which are there, in which celebrities come and speak. Celebrities like across industry, from business to sports to movies or entertainment to other industries as well. Okay, so we can start watching that as well, which will help us to pick up the language. It will help us to understand a dialogue, because two people are sitting and talking about it. So we know how a conversation flows, or how a conversation goes on, and how people reply to certain questions, and how people ask questions, right? So this is also an art, how you can start answering a question and how you can start asking a question, and to start replying a question is also something which we need to learn when we are new to a language. So this will help us to understand that as well, a dialogue, how a dialogue takes place, and how we can go ahead with the conversation, right? So we'll learn that trick, so learn that as well. Okay, and the last one is sports commentary, or a comedy show, or a live stand-up comedy, or channels like TEDx or TED Talks, right? So wherein people speak about something. Okay, so commentary also, if you are interested in sports, well and good, you can just follow the commentary which is in English, right? There are lots of matches every day which goes on, cricket match or any other match, whichever, sports you're interested in. So you can follow that commentary, and you can just start repeating or practicing that in your own words as well. Like after, you can start following that. You can start repeating that in your own words as well. So you can start with sports commentary, or you can start watching comedy shows in English. If that is difficult, you can start watching stand-up comedies also, which are in English. Indian comedians also come up with comedies in English, so that will be much easier for you to watch. Okay, so you can start watching that. If that also doesn't work for you, start watching TEDx or TED Talks, right? In which you will gain a lot of insight into different aspects. It will motivate you, it will encourage you, it will give you directions, it will help you to achieve your goals or how to be successful. There are lots of topics they come up with, and they share that on TEDx platforms. There are a lot of TEDx talks in India also you can find, where people speak about their experiences on different subjects and different topics, which will definitely be interested in. You'll be able to pick up and understand that as well. So start including these things in your daily routine, so as to keep you entertained and get rid of boredom and exhaustion. These things will help you to listen to the language well, understand the language, process the language, collect words or vocabulary, and you can speak along with them, and you can speak after them also. You can summarize everything. You can take that piece of information and you can start explaining that to yourself, or expressing in your own words. So you can do that as well. So the more you listen to any language, the better you will understand that language and pick up that language, and you'll be able to recall it. So start listening to these 5 categories on YouTube or any other platform, whichever you are interested in, wherever you can find good content. But start watching these kind of content, start including these kind of content in your daily routine, so as to start enjoying this language, enjoying this journey, and getting better at it every single day so as to speak English fluently and confidently. So guys, if you like my channel, do subscribe it, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And don't forget to browse my playlist as well. Bye bye. Take care.